Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about some intraday trading ideas for tomorrow. These are my own selection for trades. These shares are selected for my own trading, and I'm just discussing it uh, an for an educational purpose here. The first share is Asian Paints. I'm planning to take an entry in Asian Paint at 2,985 with a stop loss of 2,971. Target is 3,025, 3,050. This is my target. Target. The next stock is Indian Bank. Indian Bank is going to come out with its first quarterly report tomorrow. So hopefully its result may be published during market hours. Indian Bank, after correction, now it is trying to move up. So Indian Bank, I'm going to buy at 138 levels. The first target is 142. The second target is 147. The stop loss is 135. This Indian Bank can be held for a long time also. This can maybe long in the sense like maybe it can be uh, held for 1 or 2 3 months like that. Maybe it can give a good return. Okay, but keep a strict stop loss of 124. The third stock is Reliance, planning to enter at 2098, stop loss 2086. First target is 2132. Reliance also coming with its first quarter result this week, so you can expect some positive sentiment in this stock. Maybe, especially Geo is doing well, is adding more customer subscribers. So Reliance result is expected to be a good one. Then the fourth share is ACC. Is performing for some time, and it is coming out with its result tomorrow. So my plan is to enter at 2,130 level with a stop loss of 2,114. So my first target is 2,160, and the second target is 2,208. And SEC result also supposed to be published during market hours. But sometime it can be after market hours. Let us see. But stop loss is very important here. Then next stock is ICICI Bank. ICICI among all banking stocks, ICICI Bank looks very strong because ICICI Bank has is many like its subsidiaries, general insurance, life insurance, and the ICICI Security. All these subsidiary companies are doing well, and also recently some foreign brokers has given uh, good rating for this bank. So ICICI Bank is a long-term investment opportunity. It can be so if someone is interested, they can invest in this ICICI Bank with a stop loss of 600 for a bigger targets within 2 3 months time. But tomorrow, I see my target entry. I'm planning to enter at 646 for a target of 655 and the second target of 667. Stop loss is 641. Then the next stop is Suven Pharma. Suven Pharma is continuously it is continuously moving down. uh, hope its correction now after its correction it will start move up. So my entry level I'm planning to take a position at 465 for a target of 474 and 480 second target of 483. The stop loss here is 458. eight it is. And this is a intraday. I'm talking about tomorrow. It's intraday levels it is. Okay. Then the seventh one is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has come out with a result on Saturday. Saturday, if someone asks if the result is good or bad, it's not all. In my view, result is already factored in its price. If someone say this result is bad, then there is a good chance the shares to go up. This is how. If some Because I think market was not expecting such a good result. So it has come out with okay kind of result. So hope there will not be may not be much bigger correction in this HDFC Bank. So I'm planning to take an intraday entry at 1,488 88 with a stop loss of 1,479. First target is 1,508, and second target is 1,539. Okay, then the eighth one it is a bank nifty. Bank nifty. I'm suggesting for a CE 35,500 CE 22 July expiry. That means weekly expiry. So I'm planning to plan to buy 35,500 C at 200 levels for a target of 280 280 to 350. 350. The stop loss will be 180. I hope let us see how these stocks perform tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please uh, like it, and also subscribe to the channel so that I will be coming out many other videos for the coming days. So you will be notified about the videos. Thank you very much.